Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Have a look at what is on my desk today. I have the beautiful brand new collection by Uniquely Creative called Gums and Roses. And I have one packet of this 12 by 12 collection of papers and the matching creative cuts to give away to one of my YouTube viewers. Let's take a look at the collection and then I'll tell you how you can win. So Gums and Roses has an Australian theme to the papers. You can see already that there's a little koala peeping here, there's a galah, I think that might be a wombat, and there's some gum leaves there. So it's got an Australian feel to the papers. But oh my goodness, look at these beautiful pink roses. We all love pink roses. So this is a beautiful pink page with hints of green, and I also adore putting pink and green together. Oh, perfect. Polka dots, my favorite. I love polka dots. So we have 2 pages of each design. Here we have our cute little koala, and this is it's not grey. It's light grey, but it's got a warmer tone to it to match in with the gum leaves. It's got like a very light sage. I don't know what colour that is. It's a beautiful colour. It's very warm. It's not a cool grey. Here's your cool grey here. So it's sort of a little bit green, I think, in there. This page is called Bushland Beauty. And on the reverse, we have a lovely tartan green check. This is beautiful. This is very Australian. Here we have gum bouquet and some beautiful floral clusters that would look beautifully fussy cut and added to a layout. And on the reverse, we have that same color that I was trying to describe before in a stripe, like a pin stripe. So it's a mixture between grey and green. Maybe it's sage. Oh, what's this page? This is floral tags and titles. So we've got some banners at the top. We've got Beauty, Day to Day, Amaze Me, some titles there. Then we've got some little tags that would be perfect for journaling. Some fussy cut elements. Some little, oh look, organic, natural product. Beauty Care, 100% natural. Special offer, 100% organic, premium bakery, hot coffee, limited edition. And then you've got your little koala, wombat, rose petals, kookaburra, galah, and more of a rose, I think it is there. Ooh, this is nice. On the back, you've got the 4 different, just move that over. You've got 4 different designs. We've got polka dot, we've got like a damask, we've got a zigzag, chevron pattern, and then we've got the pin stripe. Now this is different to the sagey sort of color before. This has got more of a blue tone through it. Seize the day, carpe diem. She designed a life she loved. The day had potential. Remember this day, happy day, the perfect day, one of those days. This is different. This is a very different collection. It's beautiful. Oh, look. My goodness, look at this page. Wow, it's got like a glittery rose gold in there. Wow, that's beautiful. I love that. This is called Gumnut Garden. Perfect, easy scrapbooking page there. Just cut that out, pop a little photo in underneath. And then on the back, we've got this diamond pattern. This reminds me of, like a pack of cards or Alice in Wonderland sort of style. That's beautiful. Here we have the polka dots with the floral clusters and the gum leaves at the bottom and at the top. That's beautiful. And there's the damask on the back. That's called Rosebud Borders. Oh, here we have a whole page of fussy cutting. Fussy Cuts Eucalypt Posy. Okay, Eucalypt Posy is what they're calling these floral clusters. So you've got your roses, but you've also got the eucalypt leaves or the gum leaves, and some extra leaves in here, because gum leaves can come in many shapes and sizes. Some look sort of round and more blue, others look, you know, kind of elongated and browner or green. That's very nice. That'd be good for card making. You could easily fussy cut all of that, and that would be a very easy floral cluster for card making. And then you've got your chevron design on the back. Now this is a different green again, so there's lots of different greens in here. Lots of different greens and greys and blues. Very different. Very, very pretty. Let's see what else. Oh, another one of these squares. Now, again, these would be great for card making. I'm going to make a set of cards, I think, using... Tracy and Shanna kindly sent me a packet of this paper to make something out of, and I think I'll make a set of cards, and then they've sent me a packet of this paper and the collectibles to give away, the creative cuts, I should say, to give away. So I'm going to do a set of cards because card making on my blog at the moment is really big. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is beautiful. Look, 3x4s. Now these would look great on a layout. Enjoy the little things. Make every moment matter. Today and every day. Possibly they could go on a card as well. Then you've got your little creatures. The wombat, kookaburra, echidna, koala, platypus, galah. And some little flowers and leaves. Then you've got these sentiments along here. And these ones along here, which are bigger. That's very interesting. Okay, that's the last page in the kit. All right, so let's just see how many. 16 double-sided pattern papers, 2 of each of the 8 papers in the collection. It's called Gums and Roses. All right, I'm going to show you the die cuts now. These are the creative cuts. These are perfect for card making, and also, oh, I'm just going to have to flip that. Also for scrapbooking layouts. Oh, look, we've got a beautiful banner. That's nice. And another banner. Look at the colors. There's like a light, I love these pastel colors. They've got like a light lemon, a light pink, and a light green. What else have we got here? The heading Delight. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at that gorgeous tag. Love this life. That is beautiful. I like the font as well. 100% natural product. Okay, so we've got this organic theme, handmade organic product theme running through this. Earth is our home. Save our planet together. Premium product, organic. Wow. Natural product, always fresh and delicious. Earth is our home. Save our planet together. What else have we got? Oh, cute little Polaroid frame. They're always fabulous. And another little Polaroid frame. And another one. Oh, these are going to be great on a layout or on a set of cards. You've got 4 lovely Polaroid frames there. They are cute. Some labels. Oh, more labels. And these are sort of like, you know, what you might put on a jam jar or whatever, but they would look great on a layout, or you could stamp a sentiment on those and use them as a card. We have little arrows, some cute little arrows. So there's no blue in this. It's a green. The palette is green, shades of green, pink and yellow. And it's got this natural, organic bush feel to it. Some leaves. I'm running out of space. Let me just move this over. So we've got some green leaves. Some more labels down here. These are going to be great for journaling on a scrapbook layout. I just saw some hearts fall out then. Hang on, let me find those cute little hearts. Oh, look, little pop of red love hearts. That's cute. More little journaling tags. And this one actually comes out. If you want to take that out or leave that in. And then that one there. Another leaf. Leaves are always good. And then you've got some of these tags as well. What are you going to make with Uniquely Creative's Gums and Roses collection? Absolutely beautiful. I know you want to win this collection. Who wouldn't want to win this collection? And I'm so excited to be able to do a giveaway. In order to win this beautiful collection by Uniquely Creative, you need to do 3 things. The first thing is you must be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. The second thing is you must share this video on Facebook or Pinterest. And the third thing is you need to leave me a comment on the video and let me know whether you're a scrapbooker or a card maker or whether you do both. I will choose a random winner from the comments section. I'll give it a few days and I'll let the winners know via YouTube. Stay tuned to my channel because I'm going to be able to have a play with this collection myself. And I don't know, will I do cards? Will I do a layout? I'm still thinking. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you enter the competition and I look forward to sending this collection out to somebody special. So thank you for watching and have a lovely crafty day.